LG's latest flagship, the G8 ThinQ, will be launched in the US UU as of April 11. The phone will be available in all major US companies UU, as well as in authorized stores and in some regional companies. The list includes Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Best Buy, B&H, US Cellular and Xfinity Mobile. Advance orders start on March 29 at some of those retailers, but the details vary depending on where you want to buy the phone. The unlocked retail price of the LG G8 ThinQ is $819.99, with select retailers offering a promotional discount of $150 for a limited time at launch. As a quick update, the LG G8 ThinQ is very similar to last year's G7 in terms of appearance. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor, a large OLED QHD plus 3120x1446.1-inch screen, a 3500 mAh battery, 128 GB of storage with microSD support, 6 GB of RAM. The G8 will run Android 9 Pie out of the box. For the cameras, the LG G8 comes with two rear triggers, a 16-megapixel wide-angle camera and a standard 12-megapixel camera, and all the manual control for photos and videos that LG is known for. LG will produce the G8 in 3 colors, black, gray and red. However, the availability of color depends on the carrier.